One of my most popular videos of all time on YouTube was the 8 capacitor washer launcher. Well, we're back at it again. This time it's got 10 capacitors. I replaced that smoking resistor with a 50 watt resistor instead of 5. Basically with 10 capacitors it's ranged as 2 banks of 5 each, capable of 2 kilovolts. They are 4,000 microfarads, so if you put a, let me see, should be half of that. I can't figure, it's between about 1,500 microfarads at 2,000 volts total. Meter on the front end. Of course, what that does, it comes out to my flat coil, on which we place a 5 1/4 inch hard drive platter. And this time, instead of just doing 1 soda can, we're going to crunch 3 soda cans. The goal is to destroy all 3 soda cans or flatten them. We're sitting that on top of something I just happen to have, insulation for around heat pipes. It's holding up our cinder block. And hopefully the cinder block won't fall down, because some people claim the cans are crushed by the cinder block falling down, but that is not the case. So anyways, let me get this all set up and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, here we are, ready to do a test firing. First we're going to fire up the power supply, hope it doesn't blow. A 50 watt resistor has smoke coming off of it. That's at 1,000 microfarad, or 1,000 volts so far, smoking away. 1,000 volts. Capacitors aren't hot. I think I'm going to get a stick to hit the fire button with. So I'm not in that close to hit fire. Okay, we're at 1,500 volts. Plug crawling on my meter. 2,000 volts. There it goes. Well, we didn't successfully flatten them. We did bend them up a bit. There's the third one. That was 2,000 volts at 1,600 amps. Thank you. Okay, for our next experiment, we're going to do a free-form launch. By how many seconds in the air it spins, we know how much power we got. So here we're charging back up. 50 watt resistor is not smoking. Usually just does that the first time you fire the capacitors. 1,500 volts. Okay, we're at 2,000 volts. Hold them steady. Doesn't go past 2,000 volts. Ready for free launch. Yep. That was fun. Okay, we're back at the 2,000 volt washer launcher. This time we have a single soda can and bricks on the side. We're going to once again attempt to flatten the soda can, and hopefully without the thing falling over, so you can see that the soda can is crushed not by the cinder block but by the electromagnetic force. Currently at 1.5 kV. Not getting any smoke off the resistor for a change. Up on 2 kV. Seems to stall at right about 1.8 kV. Never quite make it all the way there, so let's go.